Hi guys, welcome everyone. I am Kusum Pound BCA expert and today I welcome you all to this tutorial section. So in this video we shall discuss about pattern in C, means how to print the pattern in C language. So without wasting much time, let's get started. We see the example. In this example, we just explain logics and next we write the program. So how to write I for loop and how to write J for loop. So we know the initial value, whether it's increment or decrement. How to find? First check it out, what is the first value each. Is it same or different? So in this case all are same. If it is same, so write J value equals to 1. If it is different values, 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, then you write J is equals to I simply because the values are different. In here each row what is the first value? 1. So that's why we have to write J is equals to 1. Now check it out, all the values in increasing order or decreasing order. In this case, we see the increasing order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's increasing. Every row the value for increasing. So the value for increment, that's why we have to write J plus plus. In case the values are decreasing order, we have to write J minus minus. So in this case J plus plus, we have to write J less than equals to. But in case J minus minus, we have to write J greater than equals to. Remember that this trick. Here J plus plus, that's why we have to write J is less than equals to. Now check it out, what is the last value in each row? Is it same or different? It's different. First row last value is 1. Second row last value is 2. Third row last value is 3. Like this, it is different. Then write I. If it is same, then write same value. For example, last value is 5. Then write J is less than equals to 5. So now writing, then we have to write I loop, right? So J loop is finished. Next we write I for loop. The first row last value is 1, means I starts from 1 to 5. So that you need to write I starts from 1 up to 5. That means 1 to 5 means increment. I less than is equals to 5. And I plus plus. I plus plus means it is increment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why we have to write I plus plus. Over. So it's just I explain the logic how to write the patterns in using I for loop and J for loop. So next we write the program. So we see the program. First we write slash include stdio.h header file. So stdio.h means what? Stdio.h means it is standard input output header file. And slash include means it is a preprocessor. Preprocessor it software which process our source code. So next we write int main. Int main it is starting point of our program. Next we declare the variables, right? I and J. After we write first J loop and next we write I loop. It is easy to we write the program. So we already discussed how to write J for loop and how to write I for loop. So like this we have to write J loop first. J is equals to 1. It means we see the pattern here. The first value 1 for each row the same value. That's why we have to write J is equals to 1. So next we have write J plus plus. J plus plus means it is increment. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. It is increment. That's why we have to write J plus plus. Next we write J is less than is equals to I. You can see the pattern here. The each row last value are different. That's why we have to write J is less than is equals to I. If it is same value like 5, 4, that when you write the same value 5, 4, J is less than is equals to 5, J is less than is equals to 4. So like this. Next we write the I loop. I starts from 1 to 5. That's why I is equals to 1. I is less than is equals to 5. Next we write I plus plus. It is increment. So our I loop and j loop is over. Next we print percentage d j. Why we write percentage d here? Because we printing the integer type value. That's why we have to write percentage d. Next we print slash n because numbers print the next line. That's why we have to print slash n. So our program is over. Next we see the output. You can see output here. We got correct output. So same pattern we print star. How to print the star? So we consider the same program but little bit change. You can see here printf percentage d comma j. We change this printf star. So finish. Next we see the output here. You can see star pattern output here. That's all. Still have any doubts? Ask in comment below. I will reply earliest. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe now for more videos.